Today I'm here with my first ever video, which is on introduction to VA and basically what is Amazon. So I'll try my level best to solve all of your queries and problems, and I hope that you guys will like it. So let's start the video. So let's start by what is basically a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a skillful independent contractor that provides services to its clients and work outside from client's office. He basically operates from home. A virtual assistant should be skilled, dedicated, passionate, and confident. He always invites challenges and never gets frightened of them. That's basically a great quality of a VA, by the way. He works from home. To do a virtual assistant only requires a laptop and a good internet connection for his work. Now let's move on to commerce and e-commerce. Commerce is the buying and selling of products, and e-commerce is the buying and selling of products done through internet. There are two types of e-commerce: B2B, which is business to business, that requires manufacturers or wholesalers, and B2C, which is business to consumer, that requires company or consumers. So guys, let's talk about Amazon. What is Amazon? Amazon is the world's largest retailer. People trust Amazon a lot. यू इन यूएस बेसिकली अगर यूएस के अंदर $2 की डेली सेल हो रही है तो $1.5 लोग अमेजोन पे स्पेंड करते हैं. अमेजोन has built up his trust on people a lot. Customer satisfaction is Amazon's first priority. Lastly, let's talk about the good qualities of a VA. The most important quality of a VA is that he must be trustworthy and honest. Secondly, he must have good communication skills. Number 3, he should be practical and confident to his work. Number 4, he must have an ability to learn new skills as well. And he must be confident enough and should have a powerful mindset. Guys, please remember, in virtual assistant, we learn more than 16 skills. So a single skill can make you successful. So that's all for my topic. Thank you so much for your precious time. I hope that you guys liked this video.